Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to audio call someone in Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Messenger app. Click on the chat of the person that you want to audio call. Now click on the phone icon in the top section of your screen. Now if the person you're calling is online, then the text calling with 3 horizontal dots just below the person's name will change into ringing. And if he or she is not online, then the call will not ring at all. And that is how you can audio call someone in Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.